Everybody, D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I wanted to make this video for you guys on how to get consistent traffic to your CPA offers. So a lot of people just have problems with getting traffic, like consistent traffic. You'll see those people that come out and they'll hit it big. They might make like 20, 30, 40, 50, $100,000 in CPA marketing, and then like that is gone basically overnight, right? Because they have to constantly fight Facebook. They have to constantly fight with Craigslist. They have to constantly fight with Google. They have to constantly fight with Yahoo, like over and over and over and over and over. They have to keep fighting with these networks. And if you don't want to have to worry about that, you don't have to worry about waking up tomorrow morning and boom, your Facebook account is disabled. Now you got to worry about getting another one. Then you got to worry about building it back up. Then you got to seed it and all this extra stuff. Like, you don't want to have to go through all that. You're just tired of fighting. Just like, D'Angelo, look, I want to make consistent money every single day. I don't want to have to worry about my ads getting shut down. I don't want to have to worry about getting ghosted. I don't want to have to worry about accounts getting disabled. I don't want to worry about any of that. I just want consistent income. Consistent traffic going to my CPA offers. I got something for you. Influencer marketing. Now, this isn't some, new software, some new method or anything along those lines, but it will work and get you results. You can literally see results today doing this method. Just like that. And you're not going to have to worry about your accounts getting shut down. You're not going to have to worry about fighting with networks. You're not going to worry about any of that. And you're going to get traffic way cheaper than you would if you went to Google, Facebook, etc. Depending on, like I said, there's a few different factors, but on average, you're going to get way, way, way cheaper clicks and all that fun stuff. All right. So let's just dive into this here. So how does this whole thing work? How does this whole process work? So, before I even get into it, right out the gate, this does not work with every single offer. All right. So the reason you can't promote any type of offer when doing influencer marketing is that the person actually cares about their brand. They care about their following. They don't want their followers to get scammed. So let's say you try to run a Amazon gift card offer, right? Because I've seen this quite a few times over on YouTube and whatnot, and they never show the aftermath, and there's a reason for that. But let's say you go and run this offer on an influencer place. Let's say they didn't know. Let's say they legit thought this was a real offer. What happens when they find out it's not real? What happens when the people start saying, hey, this is a scam? I got a whole bunch of random phone calls. I'm getting blown up from my emails getting blown up, and I'm getting all these bots calling me and all this extra stuff, right? What happens then? You just burnt your bridge with that influencer, and you will never be able to do business with them ever again, and you're not going to get a refund. And on top of that, odds are you are not even going to make money to cover what you spent doing business with them. Is it worth it in my opinion? No. All right, so stick to offers that work 100%. Like if it's a loan offer, make sure they actually are going to get a loan if they are approved. If it's an Amazon offer, a gift card offer or whatever, make sure that they are actually going to get the gift card. All right? Don't even waste your time promoting offers that do not work because, again, you're just going to lose money. And obviously the point of this is to make money. We aren't Amazon FBA people. Shots fired. But anyway, I should say new Amazon FBA people, because I don't know what's up with them. Legit, they just like seeing display money in the back. Like, it's just crazy. But anyway, how does this whole thing work? One, you're going to go to YouTube, and yes, I recommend YouTube over Instagram, because let's say I'm looking up how to screw in a light bulb, right? You're going to have people that search that every single month, how to screw in a light bulb. So every time somebody search that on YouTube or Google or whatever, and they get to see that YouTube video, every single month, thousands of people are going to keep constantly seeing that video over and over and over and over and over again. And if they're in the video, hey guys, be sure to check the link in the description for this new survey site. Be sure to check the link in the description for this new whatever, right? That video is going to constantly keep making you money, and it's constantly going to keep getting traffic over and over and over and over and over again. It's a very simple process, right? And another thing, I've completely had a brain fart there. But anyway, YouTube, then you're going to go to their About section, and then from there, you're going to get their email. If there is no email, what you want to do is go to their latest video, whatnot, and be like, hey, we would like you to promote our app. we would like you to promote this. We would like you to promote our website or whatever. And like, this is our contact information. And you would just leave your YouTube. I mean, you would just leave an email. That's it. All right. Then from there, once they reply, you'd be like, hey, this is our, product. This is our service or whatever you want to say. And then from there, you're going to be like, yes, we can do it. No, we can't do it. If they say no, you'd be like, okay, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Or you'd be like, thank you. Can I ask why you wouldn't be able to promote this? And let's say they're like, oh, well, I'm not a fan of dogs. Let's say you're doing like you're on Animal Channel or something like that, and let's say you're like mainly targeted towards dogs, you're promoting a cat offer. But oh, okay, sorry about that. We actually do have a different website. Would you be interested in promoting that one instead? Then, since that would go more with your brand or more with your YouTube channel, whatever the case may be, right? Then you might get a yes versus just in a flat out no. But if they say no, then just be like, okay, thank you, have a wonderful day, because you don't want to burn the bridge. See, a lot of people burn the bridge so fast, which is why they don't make a lot of money. Like, it's like, especially in affiliate marketing, like people will be like, oh, if you don't buy it right now, right then and now, then fuck you, right? You don't need to do none of that. Like, I always say, don't send traffic, don't send information twice. But I mean, they can sign up whenever. I'm not going to tell them, oh, no, you can't sign up unless they like say some stupid shit to me. Then it's, oh, no, hey, bro, you're not signing up. Like, not going to help you make money after you just told me some nonsense. But anyway, you guys get what I'm saying. So if they say yes, you're like, okay, great. What are the prices, right? And then you just go from there. Let's say, oh, we charge $100 for talking about it in the video. If you want to have your link in the description, normally it's included, but let's say they want an extra 20 or something like that for a link to be in the description. Maybe it's $50 for them to talk about it on the YouTube, on their YouTube story. Let's say it's like $30 for them to post it on their YouTube community, right? So again, really just depends on, the person. Obviously, there's going to be different prices for everything, but you guys get the point of it. And then that's it. That's literally the whole process. Now you no longer have to worry about Facebook shutting you down. You don't have to worry about Craigslist ghosting your ads. You don't have to worry about waking up in the morning and hoping that your accounts didn't get shut down with the ad networks. You don't have to worry about any of that. And then the good thing is you can consistently keep getting traffic in every single month, 100% free. Now, another thing I've seen people talk about is commission-based. And again, they never talk about the aftermath because, it doesn't work 99% of the time. Like, a lot of people don't realize that these people, these influencers, are not business owners. And if a lot of the people who made YouTube training actually tried the method that they were talking about, they would know that this method 99% of the time does not work. Because again, they don't do research, or actually do any of this stuff. They're just doing it for views. But anyway, 99% of these people are not business owners. So if you go to them with strictly a commission-based platform, they are either not going to reply to you, or they're pretty much just going to tell you no, or we'll get back to you on a later date. If you're a Team D'Angelo member, you guys already know I went through and I showed you guys literally me messaging 500 different influencers, and literally not a single person wanted to do the commission-based model. Like, you got to realize, again, these are not business owners. These are regular, everyday people with a following. That is it. They are not business owners. Complete difference. All right? So if you go to them and say, hey, I can give you $1,000 right now in cash, or you can do commissions, and most of our people that do commissions are making $10,000 a year, or they're making up to $10,000 a year, whatever the case may be, 99% of the time, they are going to choose $1,000 up front. That's just how it goes. Now, the only people who are doing commission-based for the most part are going to be people who are on a budget. If you're on a budget, just go to a lower person. I mean, a person with a sub count that's lower. That's it. Or just go to somebody who's charging cheaper. That's all you got to do. That's it. That's literally the whole thing. All right. Always end on a good note as well. Let's say they're out of your price range. Just like, okay, thank you for the reply. That's a little out of our price range right now, but we will get to you in the future. Right. That's it. Always leave the door open. You do not want to close it. Don't be like, oh, that's a fucking rip-off price. And, you're done now. Now you are literally not going to be able to do business with them. Don't burn the bridge. Use the bridge every single day. All right. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's literally the whole process. And it is so simple. You can go do this right now. You can go on YouTube and go to whatever niche that you want to promote in and then just start messaging influencers. That's literally the whole process. It's legit that simple. If you're a level 2 member, go do the influencer training under Universal. A lot of good information in there. Go do it. I'm telling you, easy money. Another thing you guys can do since you made this far into the video, is domain traffic. Go and find domains that are in YouTube descriptions that are basically just, they're dead. You know, just buy them and then you just get traffic like that too. Like I found one, again, if you're Universal Team Digital Level 2, go see the Universal training or whatnot. But I basically found this domain from a YouTube channel that had over 1 million subscribers. They was getting tons of videos tons of views every single month, and I legit bought their domain. And their domain is, right on their page. It's in all their videos. So I'm literally getting thousands of clicks every single month till this day from that one domain. I'm telling you, easy money to be made with domain traffic as well. But you guys get the point. Easy money to be made. Again, highly recommend doing this on YouTube, because with Instagram, you're only going to be up for like 12, 24 hours, stuff like that. And even if they do leave it permanently, it's not something that people are going to see on a consistent basis versus on YouTube. Again, if they type in how to screw in a light bulb, that's constantly going to get getting searched over and over and over every single month. And you're going to be able to get good money coming in every single month versus that one time on Instagram. But you can do both. But if you're on a budget, highly recommend doing YouTube. That simple. But again, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. And if you want influencer marketing training, then just go to the Team D'Angelo site and you guys will see all that fun stuff.